Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we're looking at the CompTIA A+ mobile acronyms, the foundation of IT hardware knowledge. I'll give an easy to understand definition, and you'll be able to see to which exam the acronym applies. Let's get started. APK, which is an Android package. An APK is a file format used by Android operating systems for installing mobile apps. It's basically like an exe file for Windows. It contains all the code, assets and resources an app needs to run. GPS, Global Positioning System. GPS uses a network of satellites orbiting Earth to pinpoint the exact location of a device anywhere on the planet. Now, in mobile devices, GPS powers navigation apps, location tracking, and even geotagging your photos. GSM, or Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM is a cellular network standard used by mobile devices to make calls, send text, and access mobile data. It's one of the most widely used mobile communication technologies worldwide. One key feature of GSM is the use of SIM cards, which store your subscriber info and allow for easy switching between devices. IMSI, International Mobile Subscriber Identity. Now, the IMSI is a unique number stored on your SIM card that identifies you as a mobile user to the network. It's essential for network authentication and is how your carrier knows who you are and what services you're allowed to use. The IMSI is not usually visible to users. It works quietly behind the scenes every time your phone connects to the cellular tower. MAM, Mobile Application Management. MAM refers to the tools and technologies used to manage and secure mobile apps, especially in business environments. Instead of managing the entire device, MAM focuses on individual applications. For example, it can restrict, copy-paste, require authentication, or remotely wipe a corporate app without touching personal data. It's ideal for bring your own device or BYOD policies where employees use personal phones for work, but the business still needs to secure sensitive data. MDM, or Mobile Device Management, is a key concept in managing mobile tech in the workplace. MDM is a software used to secure, monitor and manage mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets and laptops, especially those used for business. Admins can use MDM to enforce security policies, push configurations, track devices, and even remotely lock or wipe a lost or stolen device. MDM is all about managing the entire device, making it ideal when a company issues its own device or needs complete control. SIM, or Subscriber Identity Module, that small chip with a big job. A SIM card is a smart card that stores user information for mobile networks, including your phone number, network authorization, contacts, and text messages. It allows your phone to connect to a cellular network, authenticate your identity, and make calls or use data. Pop it into another compatible phone, and boom, your identity, services, and number move with it. SMS, or Short Message Service. This is the technology behind traditional text messaging. Those short 160 character messages we all used before instant messaging apps took over. SMS travels over the cellular voice network, not the internet. It's quick, lightweight, and works even with low signal. From feature phones to smartphones, SMS remains universal, making it reliable for everything from chats to two-factor authentication. That wraps up our mobile acronym walkthrough for the CompTIA A+ exam. These terms are foundational for IT support roles, so make sure to review them well. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for our next video about printers and multifunction device acronyms.